Hi guys, this is going to be the Ileum, and here we have a slide which is 100x total magnification, and we have the tunica mucosa, and with the components of the tunica mucosa we have the submucosa, and we have the muscularis layer. This one actually is going to be both layers, the circular layer and the other one. And the interesting part here is going to be these patches, which is lymphatic tissue. And in the submucosa you have the paired patches. We have a closer view of the ileum. This is going to be the villas. And we have, these are the villas here. And you can see here the goblet cells in order to produce the mucus. And you have here the lamina propria, which is connective tissue. Again, you have here the ileum. This is a slide from the ileum. The current magnification for this one is 40x. And we're going to be looking for the tunics of our layers. And again, it's going to be small intestine features. As you can see here, this area, write it down, it's going to be the belly bottom. And it's going to be the serosa. And the outside layers is the tunic. When this area right here is going to be your muscular externa. And remember, you have here two layers, the circular one and the longitudinal one. Then we come up to the submucosa, which is the layer with the patches, and you're gonna see as well these large and circular structures. They are the paired patches. This is going to be lymphatic tissue in order to help us with the immunity, and they are located in the distal portion of the small intestines. And they're in the ileum, and then you have the mucosa. If we zoom a little bit after that, we are able to see the simple epithelial columnar epithelium, which is for absorption. And you can see these little tiny circles here, the goblet cells. Remember, that's for production of mucus. And so this slide is for ileum.